1. The 1974 Volkswagen 412 is a classic car that holds a significant place in automotive history. Produced by the renowned German automaker Volkswagen, this vehicle is part of the Volkswagen Type 4 series, introduced as a larger and more comfortable alternative to the iconic Volkswagen Beetle. Design and body. The 1974 Volkswagen 412 is instantly recognizable by its distinctive and somewhat square-shaped design, a characteristic style of the 1970s. It boasts a four-door sedan body style, making it a practical choice for families and those seeking additional passenger space. 2. 1988 BMW 528e. The 1988 BMW 528e is a classic car that reflects the essence of BMW's engineering excellence during that era. Produced by the renowned German automaker BMW, this vehicle belongs to the BMW E28 series, known for its luxurious and sporty characteristics. Design and body. The 1988 BMW 528e boasts a timeless design that is both elegant and aerodynamic. With its distinctive kidney grille at the front, sleek lines, and a well-proportioned body, the car exudes a sophisticated and sporty appeal. The four-door sedan configuration offers practicality without compromising on style. 3. 1983 Volkswagen Cabriolet. Carrot Convertible 2D is a classic car that encapsulates the charm of open-top motoring and the distinctive style of Volkswagen. Produced by the renowned German automaker Volkswagen, this car belongs to the Cabriolet series and is specifically the Carrot trim, offering a blend of sophistication and driving enjoyment. Design and body. The 1983 Volkswagen Cabriolet. Carrot Convertible 2D exhibits a timeless design that captures the essence of carefree driving. With its compact two-door body and a soft convertible top, the car exudes a sense of classic elegance. The Carrot trim level signifies an attention to detail and additional features, making it a more upscale variant. 4. 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a classic car model that represents a part of the Oldsmobile division's long and storied history within the American automotive industry. Oldsmobile, a brand under the General Motors umbrella, produced the Cutlass series for several decades, and the 1987 model is one of the iterations from this popular line. Design and body. The 1987 Oldsmobile. Cutlass maintained its traditional mid-size design with a stylish and aerodynamic silhouette. Available in various body styles, including coupe, sedan, and wagon, the Cutlass appealed to a broad range of consumers. The design featured smooth lines, a distinctive front grille, and the overall aesthetic was a reflection of the styling trends of the late 1980s. The 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC is a classic luxury coupe that belongs to the renowned SL Sportleicht series produced by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz. Here are some key aspects of the 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC design and body. The 450 SLC featured an elegant and timeless design, typical of Mercedes-Benz luxury vehicles. As a coupe variant within the SL series, it had a sleek and sporty silhouette. The SLC in its name signifies the coupe body style, distinguishing it from the SL Roadsters.